Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have image and you want to convert this image as a video format like this and like this. It's very simple process. You can convert your favorite image as a video format. How to do it, which platform are providing such kind of facilities, we will see detailed demonstration. So now let's start on Mac screen. You need to open the Google and type here HaiLuoAI. Enter. The first link is display here. Look at this here. HaiLuoAI transfer idea into the visual with artificial intelligence. After clicking here I already sign in. You just use as a sign up point of view your email address and password and then very easily sign up here So now I just show it to you. First of all, one of the image, look at this here. This is the image. I want to convert this image as a video format. Let's see. So here the first option comes here, image to video. Previously I already make a video how to convert as a text to video format. You can watch this video, link is available on same video description. Just simply click here, add the image. You can drag and drop as well. So select this image and you just provide some of the instruction here. So I can write here one of the instruction. Now we just simply say hi like this. Wait couple of seconds. Conversation is going on, so we can spend couple of times here to give some of the information like a subscription related information. Look at this here, standard, pro and unlimited, three options they are providing, and then prices also available here. Apart from that, you can explore here. This is a website, which types of video they are creating using the video, using the images, the boy with tornado frame. All these demo samples comes as AI images, not original. No one are original here. So you should create such kind of amazing video using HaiLuoAI platform, and after that you should publish those video on your social media platform. Previously also I make a several video. Look at this is an image, and look at this, the baby stand and walk. So the video is stand and walk, and here the gun and look like this, the fire gun, and this image also like a little walk. So it's really nice. Almost 100% is completed. We can wait here again couple of seconds to complete this task, and look at this, the video is completed, and say hi like this with the smile, and that one is really amazing. HaiLuoAI, this is one of the best platform to convert your text as a video format as well as your image as a video format. You should use and try some of the free sample. After that you can make a subscription. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.